Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare JetBrains IDEs versus VS Code. JetBrains provides a collection of powerful, specialized integrated development environments, each tailored for specific programming languages and frameworks. In contrast, VS Code is a versatile, lightweight code editor that is open source and completely free. We will explore their core philosophies, feature sets, and how they cater to different developer needs, helping you make an informed choice. When it comes to features, JetBrains IDEs offer unparalleled depth, providing intelligent code analysis, powerful refactoring, and integrated debugging. However, this often comes with a higher resource demand, especially on larger projects. VS Code, on the other hand, boasts a massive extension marketplace, allowing users to customize it extensively. It generally offers quicker startup times and a lighter footprint, making it very responsive for many tasks. The user experience in JetBrains IDEs is highly integrated, offering a seamless workflow within a single application. Their ecosystem provides robust, out-of-the-box support for specific technologies. VS Code, conversely, thrives on its modularity, allowing you to build your ideal environment with countless extensions. Its vibrant, global community actively contributes to a vast and ever-growing ecosystem, offering solutions for nearly every development need. Regarding cost, JetBrains IDEs generally operate on a paid subscription model, offering various plans for individuals and teams. This investment provides access to their premium specialized features. VS Code, however, is entirely free and open source, making it accessible to everyone. JetBrains is often preferred by professionals seeking deep, language-specific tools, while VS Code appeals to a wider audience, from students to seasoned developers, due to its flexibility and zero cost.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.